Tips for calming your cough. Why we cough? It's what you do when something bugs your throat, whether that's dust or post-nasal drip. It always helps clear your lungs and windpipe. Many coughs like those from cold and flu will go away in their own. If yours comes from more serious medical condition, you need to treat the cause. Whatever the reason, there are ways to feel better. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you will not miss my upcoming videos. Home treatment. Drink plenty of fluids or use a cool mist humidifier or vaporizer to soothe an irritated throat and loosen mucus. Prop your head up or extra pillows at night and have a little honey before bed. Studies show that sweet stuff can help ease a cough. Don't have honey to children under 12 months, though. Calm a wet cough. If it's hard to get the mucus out, or if it's thick, look for medicine that says expectorant. That's loosened the junk to help you get rid of it. If you're having post-nasal drip with lots of juicy mucus, you may do better with the medicine that dries up like Sudafed. If you have cough with fever or shortness of breath, call your doctor. Also check with him before you use cough medicine for serious conditions like emphysema, pneumonia, chronic bronchitis or asthma. And don't give cough and cold medicine to children under 4. Calm a dry cough. If you get one with the cold or the flu, or if you breathe in something irritating like dust or smoke, medicine that says suppressant helps stop your urge to cough. Plus, it can help you sleep better. Cough drops or even hard candy can stop the tickle in the back of your throat. Don't give the drops to children younger than 4. Cough medicines and children. Never give the type of medicines to children under 4 years old because it have serious side effects. Ask your doctor before you give any of these products to children ages 4 to 6. They are safe after 6. For children 1 and up, try half to 1 teaspoon of honey to help them suppress their cough. With antibiotics, stop a cough? Usually, no. That's because most cough are caused by viral infections like cold or the flu and will get better in a week. Antibiotics only work on infections caused by bacteria. If your cough isn't better after a week, see your doctor to make sure the cause isn't bacterial illness like a sinus infection or pneumonia. If it is, you may need an antibiotic. Coughs from allergy and asthma. Allergies can make you sneeze, cough or both, and antihistamine medicine may help. Some newer ones at the drugstore won't make you sleepy. If you're also sneezing, where your breath sounds like whistling, you may have asthma. Go see your doctor. Smoker's hack. If you light up, chances are you cough, especially in the morning, but it may be a sign of something more serious. Sometimes smoke irritates your airways and causes inflammation that turns into bronchitis. It also be a warning sign of cancer. See your doctor if you are coughing by any blood or if a new cough doesn't go away after 1 month. What else causes cough? If you last longer than 8 weeks, a number of things could be blamed. Ongoing coughs can be caused by acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease. You may hear your doctor call it GERD. Cough can be a side effect of ACE inhibitors, a kind of blood pressure medicine. They can be a symptom of whooping cough and even heart failure. You need medicine care for all of these conditions. When to call the doctor? For a long-lasting cough, call your doctor if you have a deep cough with lot of mucus. The mucus is bloody. You're wheezing, short of breath, or have a tight chest. You have a fever that doesn't go away with 3 days. If your child has the chills or nightmare coughing fits, you are still coughing after 7 days without getting better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. This is all for now. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment section below. If you have any other ways, would love to read them, mention them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.